Also, just to add on what Nika shared, tomorrow, which is our one-time big time introductory offer for Nokia C3, aside from the 1,000 peso discount, when people purchase the Nokia C3 tomorrow, and they also activate one of the Nokia messaging services, email, chat, or communities at the store, we are also providing a free 2 gigabyte micro SD card with the phone. So just take note of that. Hopefully, don't just take advantage of the 1,000 peso discount. Activate Nokia messaging, you'll also get a 2 gigabyte micro SD card for free. That's for tomorrow on special introductory offer.
Our Nokia Academy demonstrators are behind. Please approach them and get your Nokia messaging activated on your Nokia messaging capable phone so you can try out this Nokia messaging service from Nokia. Again, unlimited. You can do email, chat, and Facebook on your phone. We have a raffle now. While we do the activations, we can